Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to unbox the TCL 20 Pro 5G. So TCL was kind enough to send this out to review. So just to give you some quick specs on the device, this does have a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, full HD, so 1080p, 20:9 aspect ratio. It does have a Snapdragon 750G processor. It has 256 gigs of storage, 6 gigs of RAM. You can expand it up to 1 terabyte with microSD. It has Android 11. We've got 4 cameras on the back of this, so 48 megapixel Sony sensor, a 16 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 5 megapixel macro sensor, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. We do have a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, a 4,500 milliamp hour battery, which is pretty cool. You can fast charge with this up to 18 watts with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. You also get 15-watt wireless charging with this. So we didn't get wireless charging on the TCL 10 Pro last year, so this is awesome to see. It does support every network, so this is unlocked, so you can use this on AT&T, T-Mobile, or Verizon here in the United States. Wi-Fi 802.11a, B, G, N, and AC, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C, of course. It does have a 3.5 millimeter headset jack, so you can use regular headphones with this. It does have an IR blaster as well. So this does come in at a price of $499, so $500, and you can get it in 2 different colors. We have moon dust gray and marine blue. The one I have here is marine blue because I love blue, so I had to get the blue. Now, in addition to that, we do have another case we're going to take a look at also from Axessorize. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, taking a quick look at our box before we open it. You can see it's pretty plain packaging. We do have TCL 20 Pro 5G branding. Everything is in nice gold, and then the little notches are for the Display Greatness logo, which is at the bottom here. You got Display Greatness, TCL 20 Pro 5G. And on the side here, it shows you all the information about it. So we do have the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Our model number is T810S. This is in marine blue. It does come in moon dust gray as well. And then this is the model we have, the 6 gig, 256 gig model. And then right here, if you want to pause the video, you can see all the bands that this does support, as well as the 5G bands it supports. On the back, it is just blank. And let's go ahead and open it up here. All right, and we have the phone right up front and center. And one thing that's interesting is they used paper instead of plastic, so this can be recycled, which is nice. Putting that off to the side, we can see what else we get in the box. Looks like you open it this way. We get a case for the phone, which is nice. So it is a nice little clear case. We get our quick start guide, as well as safety and precautions, and a SIM card tools. And we also get our USB-C charger, and it is USB-C to USB-A. And then we also get our fast charger in the box as well. So I believe this is 18 watts. All right, here is the TCL 20 Pro 5G. So let's take it out of its little sleeve. And as you can see, we have this really beautiful curved display, and that blue, oh my God, that is gorgeous. So as you can see, we have TCL branding, we have the 4 cameras, and our flash, and one thing that you'll absolutely love about this phone is it does not have a camera hump. I love that so much. So as you can see on the side, we have our volume rocker, we have our power key, and it does have a little red accent in the power key, which is really nice. You know which button you're pressing. On the bottom, we have our speaker, our USB-C connector. We have a microphone, as well as our SIM card and SD card slot all in one. On the opposite side, we have our smart key. So the smart key has returned. If you guys don't know, the smart key can be programmed for a 1, 2, or a hold press, and that can be programmed for different functions of the phone, which I really liked that they included. And then on the top, we have the 3.5 millimeter headset jack, which we don't have that very often anymore, so that's nice to see. We also have an IR blaster, so you can use this with your TV, as well as another microphone. And then we have those 4 cameras on the back, as well as the LED flash. All right, so I do have the TCL 20 Pro 5G all set up here, and just wanted to show you this really quick, what the home screen looks like as you get it out of the box. So this is what it'll look like here. You get this nice wallpaper with the space kind of theme going. And then a couple of these I've downloaded myself, but some of the ones that did come on the phone here were Facebook, Netflix, Booking.com. So just a little bit of bloatware, not a whole lot. You do get 256 gigs of storage on this, which is pretty crazy. So if we go into the system and about here, actually, you know what, if we're going to storage right here, you can see we have 19 used out of 256, so you get 237 or 238 gigs free, which is still really good. And again, this is you can also expand this if you want to. And then just to show you about the phone, you can see our display information. We have our cameras listed here, as well as our storage, and we are running TCL's UI 3. So this is the 3rd version there. So the TCL 20 Pro 5G does come with a case in the box. It is a nice clear case, but as you can see, it's a little flimsy, but hey, it does come free in the box, so you have something thing to actually use on your phone in the meantime while you're waiting for a case. So it does look really nice. As you can see, it's clear, have perfect cutouts for everything as it should. It's made by them, so that is a nice option. Now, in addition to that, you can also buy third-party cases. So this one was sent with the reviewer's kit. It's by a company called Axessorize, and this one is a rugged case. So this is going to be a little bit tougher, obviously, than the one that it comes with. So taking a look at this one, you can see on here it says easy press buttons, anti-slip grip, and lifetime warranty. And if we take a look at it, this one is a black one, and it's a double layered affair. So as you can see, we have a silicone layer as well as a hard plastic layer. So I don't think that's supposed to separate, but we'll go ahead and pop our phone in and take a look at it real quick. So as you can see, the case is a double layer case. So we do have a silicone portion, and then we have the hard shell on the back. It does have a nice rubberized texture. So we'll go ahead and put our phone in the silicone part, and we'll go ahead and get this in the case real quick just to show you how that's going to look. And this one is going to protect this a lot better than the one that it comes with. But as you can see, that just pops right on over the hard case. And taking a look at it, if I could snap it in all the way, looks really nice. Now, as you can see, we have a nice cover or nice hole for our 4 cameras on the back, as well as our 2 LED flashes. We have nice button covers as well, and those are actually nice and clicky, as they say. So we have our smart key, and then our volume and our power. Now, in addition to that, we actually have a nice raised lip above the screen, and this one does have a 3D screen, so you'll still be able to actually press buttons on the side, so that is really nice. So as you can see, we can still swipe, and then we have that little side portion here, and as you can see, that works just fine, so it's not interfering with that. So you do have some third-party options as well when you buy this phone, in addition to that one that comes with the phone. Alrighty, so there you guys go, just a quick unboxing and look at the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Again, thanks to TCL for sending this out to review, and I'll definitely have a review on this phone in the near future, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions or comments on the phone, definitely leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.